The Halo Bolt Air 5883 is a versatile device that combines a portable car battery jump starter and a 100-pound per square inch air compressor, making it an essential tool for emergencies. Its compact design allows you to carry it on road trips, ensuring that you can charge your phone, tablet, or laptop while also being able to jumpstart your car if necessary. Equipped with 4 interchangeable nozzles, the built-in air compressor can inflate tires, sports balls, and even air mattresses with ease and precision. The adjustable pressure setting on the Halo Bolt Air allows for accurate inflation every time, eliminating the guesswork involved in achieving the right air pressure. A built-in LED floodlight provides the illumination needed for nighttime roadside emergencies or simply for finding items in your car. As a TSA-approved device, the Halo Bolt Air offers peace of mind with its comprehensive portable power solutions, ensuring you are prepared for any situation.